Alright, style 3 from section 4.5, solving logarithmic equations. These just have logs on both sides. It's going to kind of take a different route. We are going to combine the logs on each side, but then we're going to use the one-to-one property to make the logs just basically disappear. So on our left side here, we're going to have to combine them by using the product rule, and I get 3x plus 6. On the right side, I get a 10x minus 15. At this stage, now that the logs have the same base, we can use the one-to-one property and make the logs and their bases go away and set the arguments equal to each other. It's a lot like what we did with exponential equations when we had the same base and we set the powers equal to each other. I'm going to move my constants and my x values. I'm going to take a quick peek, make sure that's valid for each of the logs, and plug it in. It does make positive arguments in all of them. We have a valid answer. Next up, natural logs, so base e. It doesn't matter what base we're in. So I'm going to combine these. I get 2x minus 1. And here I have to bring that 2 inside using the power law and make an x squared. Logs are equal. Set the arguments equal. We do have a quadratic. We're going to set everything equal to 0 by moving the 2x and the 1. Looking for two numbers that multiply to be positive 1 that add to be negative 2. So we have a repetitive answer. Take it, set it equal to 0. X equals 1. Plug it back in. It does give me valid answers. Positive arguments. We are done for the day. That wraps up section 4.5, solving log equations. Next up, some review sheets, which are no longer optional, boys and girls.